What we've got here is a 1942 Ford Maxim Motor Works fire truck, one of the first two trucks ever assigned to Seymour Johnson Air Force, or Seymour Johnson Army Airfield in 1942 when the base first opened. And this was one of the first two fire trucks that ever drove the streets and protected the people working and living at Seymour Johnson. I've seen it in parade after parade, and I've talked to the old man who drives it. Really nice guy. His name is Albert Dixon. He's a Goldsboro resident. He found this truck in 1983. He found it, he bought it from the farmer, and he took it back to his shop, and he's been restoring it ever since. And he wanted the truck to go somewhere where it would be taken care of forever. So he gave it to us. He gave it to our fire department.